how to game share on ps4. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to game share on your PlayStation 4 account. Now, to do this is very simple and very easy. All you have to do is watch this entire video to the very end, and you should have no problem with game sharing with a friend of yours on your PlayStation 4 account or console. Now, the reason people want to do game sharing and stuff like that is because they know that they're going to be able to download certain games. Like, say, for instance, if you didn't have Grand Theft Auto, but your friend had Grand Theft Auto and you wanted to download it to your console, this is the way you would do that, by doing what I'm going to show you guys in this video here. Let's say, what's a new game that just came out? I would say NBA 2K, like Madden 20. If you don't got Madden 20, but your friend do, you would be able to play their game, like download their game to your console and play it that way. So anyway, this is what you would do. I'm going to show you step by step, and just follow the directions in this video and you should be good to go. So step number one, let me just hit this real quick. Hold on, let me just set it up. Hold on. Where am I? Settings. Sign in to PlayStation Network and view the latest information. So step number one, log into your PlayStation Network account. That's the first thing you want to do. So let's go up here and go to settings right here. All right, you hit settings, and then where is it? Account management, I believe. And then sign in. This is how you sign into your PlayStation Network account. That's the first step. Then this is on your personal account. This is not your friend's account. This is you on your account. So log into your profile and sign in right here. Sign in. All right, that's step number one. It says sign in to PlayStation Network. You're going to put your code in right here. Let me see. Hold on, let me turn the screen for a sec. I will be back with you guys. I don't want y'all to see my passcode. Okay. Okay, and sign in. All right. What? It didn't go through. Something's not right. Hold on. Hold up. It's not letting me log in. I wonder why. One more time. Let's try this one more time. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, there it is. All right, guys. So it took me a minute, but I got it. So step number one, log into your PlayStation Network account. That's step number one. Once you log into your account, what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to where it says activate as your primary PS4. I want you to click X on that. So go down to activate as primary PS4 and then deactivate it. What you want to do is you want to deactivate. So click X on deactivate and then just hit, if you deactivate this system, you can, hold on, let me read this first. System, you cannot perform the following actions. Do you want to continue? Anyone who uses the PS4? Okay, yes. So you're deactivating it from your account. So that's step number one. You log into your account and you deactivate. Hold on. Yeah, you deactivate it from your primary account. All right, now step number two. Once you made it to this point, you are now on step number two. Step number two is for you to contact your friend. All right. Because your friend is going to, hold on, press the PS button to use controller. No, this controller didn't die out. Like, get for real. Good enough. All right, so you did your account, right? This is step number 2. Step number 2, log into your friend's account, right? Step number 2, listen to what I'm saying. Step number 1, you deactivated your account, right? Step number 2, log into your friend's account. You didn't deactivate your PlayStation Network account, but what you deactivated was the what is it? Primary ps4. Basically, you just deactivate it. All right. Step number 2, call your friend. Listen to me, because people get this confused. Get your friend's information to his account, because let's say that his account got all the games and stuff on it, right? Call your friend or get your friend to give you his information somehow. I don't care how you get it. You need your friend's login information. Now, just imagine that this is your friend's account. You now about to log into your friend's account. All right, this is step number 2. So let's just imagine this is your friend account. You log in to your friend's account, and then you go up and you go over here to, I know this video is long, but the reason it's long because I'm really breaking this down for you guys step by step. You log in, you go to settings. All right, this is your friend's account. Remember that. Now, go to account management. All right, and then before you go here, all right, listen to this. This is what you about to do. You about to activate as your primary ps4. But before you do that, what I want you to do right now is call your friend or tell your friend to get on his PlayStation and log into his account. At this point, log into his account and deactivate this. Tell him to do that. Let's say, for example, your friend is at home, right? He needs to go into his PlayStation and go here, and then he needs to go to deactivate, all right? That's what your friend needs to do. So tell him to do that right now before you do this next step that I'm about to tell you to do. All right. Now, step number 3. Let's say that your friend has deactivated the account already, right? And he told you that, hey man, I just deactivated the account. Now, this is what you need to do. Now that he told you that he already deactivated, now you remember you're in your friend's account on your ps4, right? So now you're going to go to activate as your primary ps4, and this is your friend's account. He logged into your ps4, remember? Now activate it. Activate. All right, and once you hit activate, now you can go back. Let me go back, and you should be able to go to the game library, which is right here. And you should be able to see all of your friends' games and stuff. All right. That's how you do it. That's how you game share on ps4. I hope this video made sense. I know it was a bunch of noise going on upstairs, so I couldn't really talk to you guys like I wanted to. But hopefully this makes sense. I broke it down step by step. If you got to rewatch the video, rewind it. But let me just break the steps down faster let me just give you guys a quick summary of what I just said. Step number 1, you need to log into your account. You need to go to settings. This is step number 1. You go to account management. Then you go to activate as primary account. Then this is you on your PlayStation. This is step number 1 again. I'm showing y'all the steps over. You deactivate it. That's step number 1. Okay, step number 1. Step number 2, get your friend's login information. And you're going to log in get your friend's login information. Get on your PlayStation and then log into his account on your PlayStation. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to account management, and right here, before you click X on this, call your friend I know I'm talking slow, but I'm just trying to make sure you guys understand what I'm trying to tell y'all, because a lot of people get confused. Call your friend, tell them to go here and deactivate their account. All right. And then after they deactivate the account, you are going to click X right here, and then you're going to activate it. You're going to activate it on your PlayStation 4. Then once you do that, you're going to go back and you're going to go down, and then you can go to the library. Once you go into the library, you should be able to see all the games and stuff right here that you can download. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out at all. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I do giveaways and stuff like that. I haven't done a giveaway in a quick little minute, but I'm gonna start back up doing giveaways. If you guys like V-Bucks, you know, like Fortnite V-Bucks, maybe even I may even give away some games. You know, the digital codes that you buy from the store. I may come here and do giveaways. Where I give away games and stuff like that. So just subscribe if you're interested. Yeah, and let's get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. That's the goal. 100,000 subscribers. Once I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna try to do giveaways at least twice a month. At least. I really want to get to the point where I'm doing giveaways every week, but you know, we're gonna get there gradually, but for surely. But anyway, that's a video on how to game share on PlayStation 4. Again, if you got any questions, you guys got any questions at all, leave it in the comment box below. Heck, you may even, you know, run into somebody with some pretty cool games on the PlayStation 4. You guys can communicate about that. But yeah, any questions about this video, leave the comments below. If y'all want me to clear up anything in this video, make it sound even clearer, just let me know. I may make a part 2 just to really break it down. Right now, I was really in a rush. I was about to go somewhere, so I just wanted to tell you guys how to do it step by step. But definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so. I'm gonna see you guys soon.